Welcome back. Today we'll be looking at a special website that you can make money online. If you have been following me online on this channel, we've been discussing about how you can make money online using different platforms, whether an app or a website. So you can subscribe to this channel and get those videos that I've created already, watch them and learn one or two things and apply them and earn money online. Now, if this is your first time contacting this channel, this is Dutchwell Digitals. I create videos around making money online. And of course, if you want something scammy, you can skip this video and search for them. But if you want genuine information on how you can make money online, you are in the right place. So do well to subscribe to this channel, hit your bell notification button, and then share the video, like it, so that whenever I post a new video, YouTube will notify you about the new content that I'm sharing with you on this channel. You're not going to pay any money for this. Just hit that subscribe button. That's all. Just do it and get over it, okay? So today you'll be looking at another website that can earn you money, and I'll leave the link on my Telegram group because this is a growing channel. It's a new channel, YouTube channel, and YouTube have not verified my account to allow me to post external links in my video description. Even if I post it, it's not going to reflect, so you may not see it unless you look at it critically, look at it very well. So I'll leave the link to this website to a Telegram channel, which I'll also share the link on this particular video. So please do well to watch this video to the end so that you get all the value included in this video. So this website, you can perform simple tasks online, like example here, Facebook engagement job, which is 20 naira, and as you can see, out of 100 workers, 99 people have done this particular job. You can see it here. 99 people have done this particular job. Let me show you what I mean. 99 people have done this particular job here. So after you've signed up with the link I will share with you, you go to tasks, the jobs rather. When you reach the jobs page, you search for any job that you can perform, any simple task that you can perform. You just do it and get paid. You post the verification, you verify, you share like an evidence. You post an evidence that you have actually done the job, what we call proof of job done. Okay, let's look at another job. Is another example. That one is actually small. This one is stream and follow a page on Boomplay, 15 naira. So you can see that 72 people have performed this job out of 160 workers. Okay, look at another one, a website visit job. This is 20 naira. 32 people have actually completed this job out of 40 workers. So it means that there is still room for this job to be done. And this other one is Palm Pay sign up to earn 1,000 naira. The Palm Pay, the sign up bonus here is from Palm Pay. The 1,000 naira here is from Palm Pay. So do not misunderstand what is being done here. This 1,000 naira here is from the Palm Pay itself, okay? And then the 100 naira, here is for the amount you get paid after you have completed this particular task. So it's remaining only one worker to complete this task. After that, the opportunity is over for this particular task, okay? So these are just some example. There are so many of them. There are so many of the tasks you can perform in this particular website. This one is a website job. 2 people have completed this job, remaining 18 people. As 2 out of 20 workers have completed this job, remaining 18 people. So there's still much space to get involved and perform this task and get paid. And how much is this task? This task costs 250 naira. You can see it here. That's 250 naira is the amount. After you finish this task, you send your proof of work done, okay, proof of the task done. You receive 250 naira once you have been approved, okay. Once they've seen that you have actually done this job, you will receive 250 naira. All right, now another way of making money in this particular platform is to create ads. So once you come to the ads page, you upload your image file. Then this is the place where you can upload your image file. You upload it here, right? And then your image size should be, the width should be 1024 and the height should be 250. And then you can add your external link here in this this small box here, okay. So that is how you can upload or create your ads in this particular website. And you know that it's not going to be free. You have to pay money for it, so you have to fund your account before you create the ads, okay. All right, let's look at another. What else can you do? Then in this particular, after creating your ad, you target your audience. Now this is the target audience for your ads, okay. You have education, which is like 50,759 members on this particular audience. Crypto, 31,636 are in this audience. That's the audience, the membership number. And then for the gift cards, 20,880. So you see, you have a lot of people that can click on your ads and you can get your money. For example, now if you are promoting a website, or you have an affiliate link which you want to promote, for example that PalmPay that I discussed earlier, and you know PalmPay, you get 100 naira, and you want to promote that PalmPay link. Now you can post it in any of this target audience, depending on the amount you funded with. You understand? That's how you can get your affiliate links promoted, and you can get paid once people sign up through your affiliate link. Okay, so then coming to jobs, the main purpose of the website is to perform tasks, right? And so this is when you come to jobs, you see available jobs, your jobs that you have completed, and disputed jobs that you have friction with the owners. Is that okay? So but you should make sure that you complete the job, do it well, okay. Do it well and follow the steps judiciously. Do not just assume that you have done anything and then you rush over it and you submit your proof of job done. No, take your time to do it well and follow every step. Follow the detail. That's what I'm trying to say. Follow the detail of the job description and then get it done. Submit your proof of task done. Okay, then this another way you can make money is to post a campaign. Is that okay? That means you can also create job here. That's what it means. You can also create job here. You can create job. You can view your campaign. You can approve your campaign. Then also there's approved campaign is the one that you have been approved by the website, from the website, the panel in the website. You understand? And then the campaign that have been denied, maybe for one reason or the other, it was not approved. It will come to this denied campaigns, okay. So make sure that everything is done. Once everything is done correctly, there will be no need to deny your campaign, okay. All right, another way you can make money on this particular website is through referrals. Like I'm referring you now to this particular website. So you can, once you create an account, you use get the referral link, okay, and then share your referral link in your different online platform. Maybe if you have a Facebook account, you have an Instagram account, you have TikTok, you can share your affiliate links over there, or forum websites. You understand? You can share your affiliate links in forum websites, and then people can click on that link, register, and once they do perform a task, they can send you. You also earn from the referral links. Do you understand? So please try to do things according to the instructions in the website. Okay, and then you can also save your money here. If you do not want to withdraw immediately, you can lock up your funds. It is safe between 3 to 6 months, and the minimum is 1,000 naira with an interest of 5% between 3 to 6 months. Is that okay? So this is what I have for you today. Now please make sure that you just don't just watch the video, take action. Once you watch these videos that I'm posting, take action, see how it works, then share with me your success story in the comment section below. Okay, and then please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, hit your bell notification button, like and share this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for always coming around. Have a nice day till I see you in my next video. Bye.